Welcome to The Engine Awakens, the story of the React Native 0.84 release. This release is more than just a version bump. It's a fundamental change in how React Native apps are built and run. Every great story begins with a single spark. This one begins with an engine. Picture this. You run a clean build on iOS and wait. The compiler churns, coffee gets cold. This was life before React Native 0.84. Meet Hermes V1, not a myth, not a legend, a JavaScript engine, reborn and ready to deliver massive performance gains. Hermes steps into the light as the default engine for every React Native app on iOS and Android. No configuration needed, just instant speed. This is the kind of speed upgrade you didn't have to ask for. Enjoy faster execution, leaner memory use, and overall better performance. Hermes wasn't the only hero. For iOS developers, a painful ritual is finally over. For years, compiling React Native from source during a clean build was a sacred, painful ritual. Not anymore. React Native 0.84 ships precompiled iOS binaries by default. The .xc framework files descend during "pod install," slashing your build times instantly. Every great story has a villain, and in this story, it was the past. The legacy architecture's time was over. On iOS, the RCT_remove_legacy_arch flag became the law of the land. Legacy code is exiled from your builds, resulting in a cleaner product. This purge means reduced app size and even faster build times. On Android, 14 deprecated classes vanished into the Git history where they belong. Because 650 commits don't tell just one story, they tell many. React Native 0.84 brought several other key improvements. This release brought HEIC and HEIF image support, respecting your users' camera rolls. And finally, proper keyboard events on Android for hardware keyboards and TV remotes. Screen readers now properly announce interactive text, making apps more accessible for everyone. Plus, the URL API is closer to the web standard than ever before. None of this happens without people. This release is a testament to the power of the open source community. With 95 contributors and over 650 commits, the changelog reads less like a document and more like a love letter to mobile development. A huge shout out to Ricardo, Rob, Fabrizio, and dozens more who made this release possible. This is what open source looks like when it's working. React Native 0.84 didn't just ship a release, it shipped a promise. It shipped a faster engine, a lighter build, a cleaner architecture, and a quiet promise that the best version of your app is still ahead of you. Upgrade today. The engine is running. Where will you take it?